Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание. Пора в школу. Часть первая. Страница 28, 29, 30. English. Starlight 3. It's time for school. Homework. Part number 1. Page number 28, 29, 30. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 28. Lesson number 13. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Read, look and complete the text. It's time for school. Прочтите, посмотрите и дополните текст. The answer. This is my pencil case, my sharpener, my ruler and my pencil. Look at my rubber and my pen. It's time for school. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Match the words to the pictures. Подберите слова к картинкам. Ruler, notebook, pencil case, rubber, chair, sharpener, board, pen, school bag, pencil. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 29, 29. Exercise number 3. Read the poem, then choose a school item and draw a funny picture. Make up your own poem. Прочтите стихотворение, затем выберите школьный предмет и нарисуйте забавный рисунок. Придумайте собственное стихотворение. My sharpener is so funny. My sharpener is so funny. My sharpener is so funny. It's like a little mouse. The answer. My rubber is so funny. My rubber is so funny. My rubber is so funny. It's like a little monkey. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and draw lines to the correct school bag. Прочитайте и сопоставьте учеников с правильной сумкой. What's in my school bag? Come and see a sharpener, a notebook, and a funny pencil case. What's in my school bag? Come and see a sharpener, a ruler, and a blue book. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Now write about the extra school bag. А теперь напиши о лишней сумке. The answer. What's in the extra school bag? Come and see a ruler, a red book, and a funny sharpener. Сивка-бурка. Storyland. Open your books, please. Page number 30. Lesson number 14. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Слушайте, показывайте на картинке и произносите слова. Short, tall, wheat, gold, bread, pie. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. There is only one field on the farm. It is full of tall golden wheat. The old man is very proud of his wheat. Every morning he goes to look at his wheat field. He feels very happy when he looks at the yellow wheat shining like gold in the sun. My wheat is like gold. It is the best wheat in the land, he says. Our wheat makes the best bread in the land, says Andrei. Our wheat makes the best pies in the land, says Sergei. Can I help you in the field? Asks Ivanushka. I like our wheat too. No, go and collect mushrooms, says Andrei. Silly boy, go back and sit on the stove, says Sergei. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once.